Okay, stay. Right, great start for the new year and my first new video. Great. Well, I didn't thought that I will have also a break like how other YouTubers do, but I actually took a break as well. Well, I stopped filming just before Christmas, and of course I am back here after the new year. So happy new year, guys. Hope you guys all had an amazing new year and an amazing Christmas. It's all the time that you need to take time off and just take some time to yourself, time to your family, and just enjoy the little moments that you all have in Christmas and in New Year. So yeah, hope you guys all had an amazing Christmas and happy New Year 2022. Wow, the days go so quick, and honestly the years just went passing by. Honestly, I feel like 2021 just went so quickly. Well, what can we say? So yeah, welcome to my first video for this year. There are a few changes. Just before I get into this video topic, there are a few changes I want to do in my channel this year. Hopefully not like goals or like small little intentions, like for example, I want to upload more fashion videos and more skincare review videos and more perfume review videos as usual. I will still stick with 2 uploads a week. Definitely Mondays and Thursdays, I must say, unless it changes, but definitely 2 videos a week, because this is the only time I can upload. And basically I'll be always active on my Instagram at Rama Blogger, so definitely make sure you're also follow me over there on my Instagram, and on my TikTok is also at Drama Blogger. Instagram and TikTok are my favorites. Of course, here on YouTube I do my stuff as well. So also, if there's any type of kind of video ideas you guys want me to film, do let me know please in the comments. And if there are any type of things I need to talk more about or talk less about, I'm always open for descriptive. Now I can't find the word for it. Great. I'm always open for criticism, not like negative criticism, like criticism that can improve my videos for you all. I know that I'm looking for a light. I feel like my videos are a bit more dull in terms of the lighting. I want to improve the light. Hope the sound quality is good. Hope the camera quality is good in general. I'm filming in HD, don't you worry. If your settings are in low HD, definitely click that thing in here, the settings, to upgrade the HD. I am uploading in high definition. And also my videos in general should bring knowledge and value. I want to do videos, my main purpose on YouTube is to bring value and bring knowledge. There's no point for me talking regarding something or just doing a video just for the sake of it. That doesn't make any sense. If I have missed some uploads in the past, it's because I had no video ideas. I just don't want to film something just for the sake of it. Or even if I miss an upload, it's because maybe I might be busy, or I don't want to just create something just for the upload sake. I want to create videos that should bring knowledge and value to you guys as an audience. I'm also an audience. I also watch other YouTubers. If I don't find a video interesting, I'm literally switching it off or going to the next video, because it doesn't bring me any value, it doesn't bring me any joy or something like that. And also I need to definitely say that make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I feel like so many people or so many of you are watching my videos but are not subscribed. I'm sure you guys know you can definitely sign up with your Google account or just create an account and just click the subscribe button. That means actually a lot to me, because we're slowly growing together as a community, and it's really lovely to see the growth as well. And just super excited to create or build the community between me and you, because I feel like obviously I do YouTube as a hobby because I like to share my things I buy and share my experience and share just my day-to-day things I enjoy to you. So yeah, that means absolutely the world to me if you click that subscribe button. Also you can push that notification. I never say the push to notification because I feel like this is already asking you too much, but you can also push your notifications in order to remind yourself or be reminded that I I have uploaded a new YouTube video. But yeah, I will be uploading twice a week at the moment, but let's just see how the things will go. I feel like I've talked for a good 5 minutes, but yeah, today's video topic is actually an unboxing slash review video of a pair of shoes I got for myself. It's like a little mini Christmas present to myself, and I also purchased some other big purchases for myself. So this is like one of them. It's a pair of shoes from Off-White. I'm gonna get into it straight away, like I don't want to make a huge fuss about it. Oh, it's Off-White, wow. I'm sure everybody owns a pair of Off-White shoes by now. These are actually the new season of White. They come like this in this lovely green minty color, which I really like. It says Off-White in here, and of course I've already opened these shoes, why not? And I haven't worn them yet because I just haven't got the time to wear them yet. So it comes in a lovely dust bag as well, which is minty, a lovely good cotton dust bag. Let me just remove the packaging, the invoice and stuff like that. So it comes like this in the tissue, over on frame. So I'm looking in the viewfinder. Also, one of my things is to look in the camera, not in the viewfinder. It's really hard if you got a flip camera. And you guys know which shoes I got? Oh, was it showing? I got the fresh off the season, fresh from the off runway, the Off-White out of the office trainers. These are the ones I have. Let me get the other one out because the plastic noise can be really annoying. So I got my pair, the out of the office trainers by Off-White. Now when I first saw them, I was like, they're quite nice, but the more I saw them on websites such as FARFETCH, FLANNELS, My Teresa, Harrods, Selfridges, you name it, and also on the Off-White website, honestly the ads were popping in every single time on my phone. I was like, oh my god, these shoes are literally everywhere, they're following me. And actually was looking for a nice pair of trainers as well, because I just needed some new trainers and I was just getting bored of my old ones. Just need to refreshen it up sometimes, you know. And I was like, you know what, I quite like these. So I went to the website and I had a proper investigation regarding the style. It comes this only one kind of style, but more into the colors, because it comes in different type of colorways. I was really excited about the white color with the black arrow, but I already have white shoes. Then I wanted the beige ones, but I feel like beige sometimes also, again, it's very hard to style or gets dirty very quickly. Then I decided just to go for the good old black pair of shoes with the white arrow. They come like this. Of course, you got the arrow on the side and also the arrow on the other side. Same with this one, you got the arrow on this side and the arrow on the other side. You got the Off logo in here, and you got the Off-White kinda, what is it, is it like a face or something? I'm sure you guys know this logo by Off-White by now. It also says Off-White on the sole is here as well. The sole is also very lovely. It says Off-White in here and Off-White in here. It's got this very interesting texture you guys can see of the sole, and the kind of style or the kind of design reminds me of Nike shoes. Like, it's very thick from the shoe inside in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Very thick. Now, if you go at the bottom, it's more like a thin, obviously the leather. It's 100% leather, and it's not plastic, obviously not. It's made in Italy. And also this part in here is nice and thick. Is it made in Italy? No, it's not. It's made in China. So yeah, the size I got is actually a size 43, because I tried the 42 in store. But the 42 was okay, but my toe was a bit more restricted in here. It's because I guess the shoes are quite big from the inside. So I took a 43 and it fits perfectly. It's not too big and not too small, just the perfect size, because the sales associate told me that make sure that your toes are nice and like spread out and open to like squeeze and something like that, because if it's too tight and close, it's not good. You will have infections, or you will have like a, I don't know, what is it called? You will get those spots on your toes, so I don't really want that. And also got the Off-White Virgil Abloh, what does it say? It actually says something in here. It says Off-White CEO Virgil Abloh, made on earth, designs on a plane. Oh, 2013. Honestly, obviously I've purchased these also as a remembrance of Virgil Abloh, such a genius designer who sadly has passed away. Honestly, so heartbreaking to see a designer who has created a brand like Off-White just disappearing like that. Is honestly really sad, and really shows that the world is so, I don't know what to say. Life is too short, and honestly, just do you and do whatever you like, do it in your best way possible, and just live life to the fullest, because honestly, you never know what will happen next. And if you look at Virgil Abloh, who has created an empire in the fashion industry of Off-White, just gone like that. So it's really heartbreaking. And yeah, so I got these as a little bit of tribute to Virgil Abloh, these shoes, and I really like it. Of course, it comes with the Off-White tag as well. It says just Off-White, and you can wear it or you can just easily, it's really easy to remove. Some people don't really know you can remove this, so you can just take them off if you would like to. So I'm just gonna keep them for now. Also, I'm gonna just try them on for you guys, so you guys can see how the fit and everything is. So overall, the shoes are in general, in terms of the heaviness, it's not that heavy. It's like a typical shoe like weight. It's not heavy. So yeah, the front is also like this Nike inspired, got this kind of holes in here. So overall it's like a casual trainer shoe, and I like just like the look of them. Honestly, I like how they look. I like how they are very plain, also very like stylish and fashion. They're honestly fresh off the season. They call it the out of the office shoes, and yeah, I really like them, how they look. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna try them on for you guys so you guys can see how they look on my feet. Alright guys, so these are the shoes tried on, and you guys can see how they look. I just love how they look, to be honest, you guys. They look very lovely, very nice. And yes, I just noticed that I've put the tag in the wrong way, but yeah, this is the tag of the Off-White. Usually all the shoes come with this tag, but you can easily remove it, which I'm going to do right now. There we go. It's easily removed, and this is how they look on. This is how they look from the front. This is how they look from the back. I just love how they look. They look really nice with jeans, and just with all type of jeans. You can wear them with all type of jean washes. Very lovely. And I love how they're very simple, got the Off-White arrows and as well. So yeah, they're very comfortable, very comfortable. I feel like I'm wearing nothing. I haven't done the laces. You can just leave the laces like that, or you can tie the laces up as well. And also with the shoelaces, they also say shoelace. If you are wondering what this is the shoelace. So you can obviously do the shoelaces as well, like this. So yeah, there we go. You can do the laces. This is how they look with the laces on, and I really like how they look. Super stylish, super comfortable, super nice. I feel like I will be wearing these non-stop in summer. These will be amazing shoes also for taking away to holidays such as Dubai. They're very easy to walk around. I feel like very comfortable. And yeah, do let me know what you guys think. I feel like they're very lovely. They don't also look too big, I feel like, because I got the height, kind of balances out. I got long legs as well, so balances out. These are the size 9, as I told you, and they don't look big at all, or they're not big from here. Of course, you guys can see from this side. This is, let me show you, this is, you can put your finger in here. However, this is how the shoes are. This is the thickness of the shoe, so it's not in terms of them being big. My feet tend to swell up sometimes, so these are quite good. My toes got a nice room as well, so they're easily to move around from the front part as well. So yeah, really like them. Alright everyone, so this was it with this unboxing slash review of the Off-White out of the office trainers. Hope you guys found this video all informative and helpful. I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description of the specific ones I got, because these are really hard to get sometimes now. My size was sold out. I couldn't find the black ones at all, so they're really hard to find, so bear that in mind. So I'm gonna leave the link down below, or just check check out your local your stores that are local to you, and just see which of them have these shoes, because I'm sure you guys will love them as well. So definitely check them out, because I'm sure these are really cool, and they're really lovely style. So definitely also follow me on my Instagram at dramablogger. I'll definitely style them up for you guys and wear them, and you're going to see how I would wear them with this type of outfits. So yeah, definitely follow me over there. So yeah, this was it with this review video slash unboxing of these. Hope you guys all liked it. I have nothing else to say except thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you guys very soon in my next video.